This is more complicated than I thought. I hope I made the right decision.
Maya, breakfast is ready now.
Coming, Mom.
Good morning, buddy. Sleep well? I had a dream about racing cars.
Good morning, Dad.
How are you feeling today, Maya?
I'm fine. Just tired from the rain. The weather has been so gray lately.
3 days now. The whole city looks sad.
But rain is fun. We can jump in puddles.
Maybe tomorrow, Tom. It's still coming down hard.
You're up early. Lots of work to do today.
Dad, do you want more coffee?
That's very thoughtful, Maya. Thank you.
Can we play after breakfast?
Maybe this afternoon, if the rain stops.
I think we should just be together today.
The storm must have knocked out the power. Come here. We'll be all right.
Mom, why is dark?
The storm knocked out the power. It's okay.
I'll find the candles.
See how the light changes everything. It feels much cozier now.
It's beautiful, honey.
Wow, it's like magic.
It's actually beautiful like this. It's like magic.
Come, everyone. Sit with me. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, peaceful. I love the way the light dances.
Tell us a story, Dad. A real one.
When I was young, maybe Maya's age,
Were you scared of the dark too?
very scared. But my father told me something.
What did he tell you?
That darkness always brings a sunrise.
Did your father work a lot too?
He did.
But every evening, he sat with us.
Just like now.
I'm sorry I haven't been here much.
We're here now. That's what matters.
Tell us another story, Dad.
There was this one time I fell in a river. So there I was, knee-deep in the mud, when suddenly this huge fish jumps right into the boat.
This feels nice.
Mom. I'm okay, Mom. It's just...
No, this is not okay. You're breathing.
What's happening?
What's happening?
I don't know. I can't breathe right.
How long has this been happening? Just tonight, Mom. I promise.
That wheezing is not normal.
We need to go to the hospital.
It's late. Maybe it will pass.
No, we're not waiting.
Maya, are you okay? I'm sorry I woke you.
Why are you coughing so much? Tom, go back to bed. We have to take your sister out.
Where are you going? We're gonna see a doctor, buddy.
Can I come?
Yes. Get your shoes. Quickly.
We don't have much time. We must hurry.
I know. I'm going as fast as I can.
Are you sure we should be doing this? It feels wrong.
It's too late to turn back now. We have to keep going.
The operation was successful. You can see her now, right this way. How long has she been in there?
40 minutes.
Why haven't they told us anything? These things take time.
Is Maya going to be okay? The doctors are helping her. That's what matters.
I should have noticed something. I should have...
You couldn't have known.
I'm her father. I should know when she's not well.
I'm gonna give Maya something. Tom, you should stay here. Just one moment. To help her feel better.
That's very sweet, Tom.
Family of Maya?
Yes. How is she? Your daughter has acute pneumonia.
How long? How sick is she?
Several days, possibly longer.
She's been hiding it.
Hiding it? Why would she hide that? Children often do when they sense stress at home.
She was protecting us.
She is resting now.
The treatment is working.
But if you hadn't come tonight...
Yes. A few more hours would have been serious.
My baby! My precious baby!
Is it my fault? I was playing with my car.
No, Tom. No. This is not your fault. She was suffering and we didn't see it.
She is going to recover fully. She's strong.
But we failed her. We were so caught up.
We were caught up in our own fear.
You can see her now. She's sleeping.
I'm sorry, Maya. I'm so sorry.
She can't hear you, but she knows you love her.
Will she be okay?
Yes. The doctor said she will be okay.
I gave her my bracelet.
That was very brave, Tom.
She's gonna get better because we're here.
I promise I'm gonna change. I promise.
We're gonna change. Together.
You all stayed?
Of course we stayed. You're our Maya.
I'm sorry I made everyone worry.
Don't apologize. Please don't apologize.
You had something bad in your chest. Pneumonia. The doctor explained.
Why didn't you tell us you were feeling unwell?
Because you were already sad.
Oh, Maya. You should never carry that burden.
You never have to hide pain to protect us.
I'm just happy you're here. For luck. I saw it in my pocket. Thank you, Tom. Do you feel better? Much better. The medicine is helping.
We're gonna stay right here with you.
I I know.
The sun is back. The rain stopped. It's so beautiful.
Welcome back to the world, sweetheart.
How do you feel?
Tired, but happy.
Can we go to the park tomorrow?
Maybe soon, when Maya is stronger.
I learned something these past few days.
What did you learn?
That I don't have to be perfect to be a good father.
You were always a good father.
I was too caught up in my own worry.
We all were. But we saw each other in the hospital.
We're together. That's what matters.
Yes, that's exactly what matters.
Breakfast is ready.
Thank you for cooking. That was kind.
That was kind.
Can we tell jokes today? I would like that very much.
And then the robot said, I don't have a stomach ache, I have a motherboard ache.
That is so funny, Tom.
Good one, buddy.
I found something today. A new job. Part-time, but it's work. You're working again? Yes, but I promise to be here too.
That's wonderful, Dad. I'm so proud of you.
But more than that, I understand now.
Understand what?
That our family doesn't need a perfect life.
What do we need?
We need honesty. We need each other. We need truth.
And we have that. The rain taught us that.
When we couldn't hide anymore.
When we had to see each other clearly.
I'm glad you saw me.
We always will.
Tell us another story, Dad. Please?
This story?
This story is about us.
Our real story. The one where we learn to love honestly.
Exactly.
And it's not finished yet.
What happens next? We keep going. Together.
Through rain and sun and everything between.
As a real family. The best kind.
Everything is going to be all right now.
We love you both so much.